The top 5 most common misconceptions about the third eye. I'm going to be breaking down what it means to have an open third eye and how to unlock your next level of consciousness. I'm going to break down the chakra system and the top 5 most common misconceptions about opening up your third eye. Now, this all comes down to energy, understanding the chakra system of yoga, starting with the red, the grounding center, the sacral chakra. We go into the emotion center, the next chakra, the orange, the procreation center, going up into the power, the yellow, moving into the unconditional love and healing in the heart chakra. Experiencing your truth and communication in the blue throat chakra, opening up to the Anya chakra, the spiritual awareness, and then finally the crown chakra, which ties you to your higher self and your real spirituality. Now, this all has to do with energy. When you circulate that energy, that's what Kundalini means. Serpent up the spine. We are increasing that energy, going into the Anya chakra, completely expanding our new perception of reality. When you see things with your 2 physical eyes, you are seeing a limited perception of reality. Now, opening the third eye is exactly what it sounds like. It is literally an eye. It is allowing you to perceive beyond your 2 physical eyes. Now, the most common, number 1 thing I get every single day on my DMs, on people commenting on my photos on Instagram or on the videos right here on YouTube, it's crazy how many people think that opening your third eye is demonic or satanic. I get so many questions. Robert, I'm Christian. Is opening my third eye okay? Is it going to bring me closer to God? Am I going to see angels and ghosts and stuff? I mean, come on. Really? Do you really think this is about negativity? No. The ancient yogis are teaching us how to increase our consciousness in order to be happy. I mean, it's just that simple. Falling under the illusion of Maya. That's what a lot of people are falling for the trap right now. The illusion that you are just this body, that you are just your thoughts. No, you are so much more than that. When you understand the chakra system, when you understand what the Anya chakra, what the third eye really is, then you will stop giving into all that negativity. Now, the second most common misconception about the third eye is you will see ghosts. People think that as soon as you open your third eye, it's like, oh, all these ghosts are going to come to get you, or negative beings, or entities, or celestial beings, or aliens, or whatever. Now, you are what you put your energy into. Energy is just energy in motion, right? Now, think about all of the things in your life that you were bringing fear into. Those things have not gone away. That's just programming 101 from Hollywood, from all the stuff, the propaganda, to keep you trapped in that limited perception of reality. So I assure you, there is nothing to fear. There's no ghosts that you're going to open yourself up to. There's no negativity whatsoever. Moving on to number 3, you don't need to be healthy. People think, I get questions like this all the time. Robert, I just, want to open my third eye and do all the things that you talk about. And if you're drinking alcohol, if you're doing drugs, if you have a very toxic diet, your third eye will not open. You can't just jump across the finish line. You can't go run a marathon without doing a little bit of work. A little bit of prerequisites need to be done here, which is increasing your light body. Your physical body is just a form that's harnessing this energy. You have to feed it nutritious food, living foods. I mean, there's no way around this. You can't get away with the McDonald's. You can't get away with all that low vibrational food. The cheeseburgers gotta go. All that stuff is toxic. It's lowering your vibration. The energy is literally spinning up and down the spine, opening up these chakras. Chakra just means wheel, by the way. In yoga, it translates to wheel. It's a ball of energy, a wheel of energy. So think about that. Is the energy going up your spine? Is it increasing every day with uplifting positive things, or is it down pulling your energy? Are the foods that you are eating, the friends that you're hanging out with, what are those things doing to your energy? Okay, you have to put in the prerequisites in order to open your third eye. There's just no way around it. Just the pineal gland is number 4. People think it's just the pineal gland. Oh, it's just an organ in the body just doing what it does. And they're trying to create some scientific, measure, and it doesn't work like that. That's what's happening right now. The ancient science of yoga, spirituality, mysticism, whatever you want to call it, it's slowly catching up, right? Like science is slowly catching up to what the ancient yogis knew. It's crazy how much information the yogis and the ancients knew about our body, about what to do, about the food that we should be eating, all of that. Now, that is the real truth. The stuff that we've been fed in the last 100 years is keeping you enslaved. I mean, it's just that simple. The fast food, the conveniences, the modern day, everything is keeping you trapped in that lower vibration. You have to let go. You have to get past all of that. You have to open yourself up to this new energy, okay? Don't be fooled by all the things that are out there that are keeping you trapped in that lower vibration. Open yourself up. Now, last but not least is nothing special. I wrote that there because I get DMs all the time about when I talk about the third eye opening or experiences I've had through the meditation or anything that I do, and people are like, oh, it's nothing special. Oh, that's just your body reacting. That's just the simple, spontaneous reaction that the body has after that experience. No. Sorry, you have to understand that there's something happening on the physical, and then there's something happening behind the physical, right? We have the causal, the astral, and the physical plane. It has to be thought of before it enters into this physical dimension. So what you see on this physical reality, there's always something happening behind the scenes. It's not just like, there it is, poof. It doesn't work that way. Your third eye is pure magic. It is a perception beyond the physical world. It is a interdimensional combination. You are not tied to this third dimension. You are an interdimensional space being, a light being. You are infinite consciousness. You are able to travel through all dimensions simultaneously. That is powerful. There is so much more than this limited perception of reality that a lot of scientists and people that are talking about now. Now, again, we are catching up just now, not even scraping the surface of what the ancient Egyptians knew, the ancient Sumerians, the ancient yogis. Everybody 10,000 plus years ago knew exactly about the chakras, knew exactly all about these teachings, and they were a very happy race of people. The very different time zone that we are living in now, a lot of things. I could do a whole video about that. I don't want to get carried away. I want you guys just to understand that the chakra system is real. The energy is real. This isn't like hippie stuff. This isn't new age stuff. This is real. You can use these techniques, use the guided meditations right here on this channel to open your third eye, to allow you to experience this higher consciousness. All right. Thank you guys so much for being here. Shout out to all the Inner Circle members. Let me know in the comment section below if you learned anything, if you know any tips for opening the third eye, have you experienced these misconceptions? I know you're getting trapped in a lot of this stuff too, so hopefully I brought a lot of clarity on your journey. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Infinite peace. I'm out.
Remember, you are infinite spirit soul. The higher self is always guiding you. Tap into the infinite cosmic conscious energy which is within us, around us, and everywhere.